question. In economics, the pleasure, happiness, or satisfaction received from a product is called 1. The marginal cost, 2. The utility gained, 3. Social status, 4. None of the above. So economics, we have the specific concept of utility, and that refers to this idea of putting a unit measurement on happiness or satisfaction or pleasure. And so utility gain is going to be the right answer here. And let's check the previous year's answer. We also said the utility gained, and they said the term utility is an economic concept and represents the usefulness or level of total satisfaction a product or service grants to the consumer. It includes pleasure, happiness, and a level of satisfaction gained after consuming the products or services. It depends upon the potency of want and the level of income or economic status of consumers. It has no ethical or moral significance as it depends on the consumer's mental attitudes and assessments to fulfill the particular want. Good. That's correct. And we can mark that as correct. And it looks like that's all we have for today. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. And other than that, I'll see you guys again on Thursday for a few more Q&A questions. Hope everybody's staying happy and healthy at home. And